It's a good one. Might be a little too big. All right. I guess let him wear himself out. Let me do this. Try to, it ain't gonna work. I was gonna try to put this camera up. I got 20-pound test. Hopefully it's good. Good enough. Caught him on the Deadly Deli electric chicken. Oh yeah, it's a big one. Come on. I did bring a net. Not a bad way to start the morning. How big is he? He's going in the box. Look at that. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. Got the camera situated now. Got that decent red, 25 inches. Caught it on the Deadly Deli electric chicken. And we're gonna go see if they got some more. Got him. Got him. Got another one. Let him wear himself out. Get the net ready. Yeah. Look at that, popped right out. I was barely hooked. Look at that. I don't have my fish grips, but check it out. Look, 4 dots on that side, 4 on this side. How long is he? 20. Another one for the box. Look at the colors on it, huh? It don't get no better than that. Got him. Feels like a good one. Nine, 10, 11, 12, 13. Another keeper. That was a really good one. Right next to me. Got him. Got him. Rat red. Try not to get soaked again. Sweet. The little dude. Can't keep him anyway. Already got my limit. Check them out. Alright everybody, on these last few clips I lost sound, so I just dubbed in some music just so I didn't want to waste the footage, so I just had to put something on there just so you're not watching video with zero sound. Alright everybody, that's going to be the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me that thumbs up if you like what you seen. And I'll see y'all next time. Peace.